My journey started when I was about 15 or 16 years old. My parents asked me what I wanted to kind of do when I grew up, and I remember seeing my dad work on these planes and family days coming out here, and it was really awesome.
It was back in high school. He was wanting to get into aviation. Somehow he was thinking about being a pilot and different things, and he always wanted to be where I was doing and tinkering and stuff.
More than anything else, my dad reminded me that when he was a young guy in Chicago, he had upwards of 3 different jobs just to put himself through school to get his A&P license. And I saw that drive, that work ethic, and I wanted to emulate that in my life.
So I've been here 40 years now, and now my son has been here for almost 6 years. And I just love being able to work with him at American Airlines. To see my son invested in this company and his joy brings joy to my heart.
I transitioned into the surface finishing group for landing gear specifically, and that's been kind of the journey to the next step of me becoming a mechanic. And now I get to actually get my hands dirty in the maintenance aspect of it. My goal, hopefully in the next year, is to be able to pursue what my dad's done at American Airlines into management. I want to further that career, but more importantly, I want to further that legacy because I've seen the growth that he's had, not just in life, but in this company, and I want to emulate that as well.